So my name is Agnes Leonovich and I'm a librarian with Leeds Libraries. So I'm a digital health and wellbeing librarian, and I've only been in the role for about 4 months, 5 months, and really what I do is kind of focus on making sure that our libraries have the best wellbeing and digital resources. So it's a really valuable role within the community, as digital inclusion is such a big deal at the moment, especially after the pandemic. But within that role I actually get to do a lot of things, and a lot of creative things as well. So I do a lot of kind of music workshops, I do a lot of kind of art workshops that involve digital in some sort of way. So it's a really fun job. So the way I got my job was I went to the job centre and I was like, look, I'm sick of working in retail, and I did a jazz degree actually, so I'm a trained singer, and I was working in retail and I just graduated, and I was like listen to my job coach, I was like, I really can't do this anymore, like please can you give me something else. Anyway, and then they showed me this job at Studio 12, and Studio 12 is within the library, and it's basically, it's a free resource for young people to kind of be creative and use film making equipment and music making production software and all of that sort of stuff. So I got a job there and I was teaching music and doing loads of research projects, and it was amazing. But unfortunately that was only a 6-month contract, but then I landed another job within the library, which was a librarian, which is amazing. So now I'm a librarian so I work in Leeds Libraries, and it was a long kind of process, but now I'm here. So I do a lot of different things, so kind of every day is different. Sometimes I work from home, sometimes I'll be over doing a launch event with Leeds 2023, other times I'll be doing things like this, other times I'll be just sat at home on my laptop answering emails, so it changes all the time. Oh, you should work in the creative industry because it's important, it's how we live and breathe. Creativity, art, music, all of these things, that's what keep us going as a society. We wouldn't be here if that wasn't the foundation of our lives and kind of how we've made our path through history. So it's important, it's very important, and not obviously it's fun, it's enjoyable, there's lots of things that you can benefit from it, but it's important, it's an important thing to say, yeah, I work in the creative industry. I think I saw something a while ago which was small talk is the most important thing, and I 100% believe that. It's just I don't know, obviously be yourself, go knock on all the doors, make sure that you're present and you're being there, but just small talk, just talk to people, just chat to them, just ask what they're having for dinner tonight, show them that you're a person that wants to kind of chat and be sociable, and just kind of just make conversation, just be a human being, really, just be who you are, be yourself as a human being and talk to them.